Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today let's solve this nice algebraic exponential challenge which read x minus 4 to the power of 4 equals to x to the power of 4. We are looking for the possible value for x. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop videos on mathematics. So let's provide a solution to this challenge. This challenge may look somehow technical, but we are going to solve this with a simple approach, and this approach might likely look familiar to you. So let's solve this out. Solution. Okay, the right question, open bracket, x minus 4 all to the power of 4 equals to x to the power of 4. Okay, since we've done this, the next thing we are going to do is to bring the whole of this to the left hand side of the equation. So if we should do that, we're having x minus 4 close bracket to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 equals to 0. Okay, so we've done this, the next thing we are going to do, we can see we are having 4, so note our 4 is also equals to 2 to the power of 2. So at this point we write x minus 4 all to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2. We are putting 2 here, so we're having x to the power of 2 all to the power of 2 equals to 0. Okay, having done this, at this juncture we are going to apply the rule which says if we're having a to the power of b, a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So assuming that our a is equals to x to the power of 4 or to the power of 2, okay, and our b is also equals to s to the power of 2. So if we apply this principle here, we have this to be x minus 4 or to the power of 2 minus x squared, okay, times x minus 4 all to the power of 2, okay, minus x, we are putting plus here, plus x squared close bracket equals to 0. Okay, so we've done this, we are now having open bracket x minus 4 all to the power of 2 minus x squared times x minus 4 to the power of 2 plus x squared. So from here we can compare the whole of the equation to be equals to 0. So if we should do that, we are saying x minus 4 all squared minus x squared equals to 0. Okay, then we are having x minus 4 all squared plus x squared equals to 0. So since we are having this, we are going to open this bracket. So we can call this one case 1, okay, then we can call this one case 2. We are having case 1 and case 2. So let's solve for case 1 first. So in case 1, we are having x minus 4 all to the power of 2 minus x squared equals to 0. So if we should open this bracket, we arrive at x squared minus 8x, okay, plus 16 minus x squared equals to 0. Okay, so from here this and this will go because this one is having a positive sign and this one is having a negative sign. So we are going to have minus 8x plus 16 equals to 0. So since we've done this, let's bring 8x to the left hand side or right hand side of the equation. So if we should do that, we are having 8x equals to 16. And if we should divide both sides by 8, our x is equals to 16 divided by 8, which is equals to 2. Therefore, our first value for x is 2, which is x is equals to 2, x1. So let's solve for the second value of x. Let's solve for the second and third value for x, picking case 2. So if we should pick case 2, our case 2 reads, picking case 2, we are having x minus 4 all to the power of 2 okay, plus x squared equals to 0. So the next thing we are going to do is to open this bracket, and if we open the bracket, we're having x squared, okay, minus 8x plus 16 plus x squared equals to 0. So we are having x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus x squared equals to 0. So we are going to pick this together, because this one is having a positive sign and this one is having a positive sign. So we are going to say x squared plus x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals to 0. So from here we are going to have 2x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals to 0. So if we should divide both sides by 2, we are going to arrive at x squared, 2x squared divided by 2, okay, minus 8x divided by 2 plus 16 divided by 2 equals to 0. So, okay, likely we are going to arrive at x squared minus 4x, okay, we are having minus 4x here, minus 4x plus 8 equals to 0. So since we've done this, we are now having x squared minus 4x plus 8 equals to 0. So what then is the next step? So since we've seen this, we're looking for the value of x. So if we want to solve this using the quadratic method, or the factorization method, is not going to work, because now we are not having a quadratic equation. So if we are using the factorization method, it's not going to work. So for the course of today's video, we are going to use the formula method, which says our x is equals to minus b plus or minus, okay, plus or minus the root of big square minus 4ac over 2a, okay, over 2a. So if we apply this principle here, we are having our x is equals to minus, open bracket, minus 4, close bracket, plus or minus the root of minus 4 all square minus 4 times 8 times 1, okay, 4 times 8 times 1, or divide by 2 times 1. So from here we're having our x is equals to 4 plus or minus the root of 16 minus, so 4 times 8 times 1 is going to give us 32, okay, divide by 2. So we are now having this, so we can say our x is equals to 4 plus or minus the root of 16 minus 32. We are having minus 16, okay, minus 16 divide by 2. So we are now having this, I want you to note something. The root of minus 16 is equals to j root of 16, which also equals to j of 4. So where your j represents your imaginary number in complex rule. So we are now having this to be x equals to 4 plus or minus j4 or divide by 2. So if we should divide by 2, we are having 2 plus or minus j2, okay, we are now having this. So therefore we can say our x2, or rather x is equals to 2 plus or minus j2. Therefore our x2 is equals to 2 plus j2, okay, and our x3 is equals to 2 minus j2. So since we are not having this, so let's write all the values for x again. Remember, this is your first value for x. X1 is equals to 2, x2 is equals to 2 plus j2, our x3 is equals to 2 minus j2, where your j is your imaginary number. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and hit on the thumbs up button. God bless you, Jesus loves you, and see you in my subsequent video. And this is a promise, I will definitely release amazing challenge on mathematics. Bye bye.